The European Volunteer Centre, CEV for its acronym in French, has chosen Tallinn, Estonia, to celebrate its symposium, The Future of Volunteering, Concepts, Trends and Visions, from the 4th to the 6th of May. In Tallinn, more than 50 NGOs have presented their projects and activities. Markus Held, outgoing director of CEV, left us reflecting about accomplishments thus far.
And now, 7 years later, it has nearly 90 organizations, and I'm of course also very proud what we have achieved together, and the European Year 2011 is of course our biggest achievement.
But what is the future of volunteering? That was one of the key questions addressed during the CEV symposium. Kasper Bo Dano from Denmark gave us some key answers.
Volunteering has a huge potential and future because the new media, the internet, is a new way of attracting people who are not used to volunteer.
ROCKCOR understands that this is the future. Being a volunteer can get you a free ticket to go see your favorite rock stars while doing good at the same time.
The young people, they get the idea that they're part of a global community and they can talk to each other, share ideas and share their aspiration for the world being a better place. This is really the time to make great change, and getting youth involved in volunteering is one of the biggest things that we can do.
The concept of being a volunteer is changing everywhere, as Malcolm Quigley from Ireland and Mirko Schwarzel from Germany explain.
Younger people are now more about, they're more social in their way of thinking. Less so in the past, it was very much about, okay, how do I get a job? Because Ireland was a poor country. But now young people are thinking, well, okay, before I get a job, maybe I should do something in my community.
We have a volunteering prize, a national prize, that's awarded to special volunteering projects, initiatives. There are certain areas where Germany can learn a lot from other countries. I think especially in the field of online volunteering.
Let's go now to local projects. More than 100 people have served as volunteers in Tallinn's Central Library.
There are pensioners, older people, and a very big part of our volunteers are unemployed. So they come to us to get a new working experience.
Along those crucial local initiatives and projects, decision makers have a key role to play in order to further advance and promote the volunteering sector.
The main challenge in Estonia today is that many people, they do voluntary work or at least participate in some actions, voluntary actions, but they don't identify themselves as volunteers really.
This year also marks the departure of several members of the CEV. The team will now be working with a new director, Martin Packer.
We have now, of course, the opportunity within the European year that we have more promotional and media attention. But the fact is, or the question will be, if this remains or will result also after 2011.
The most important bit for CEV and for volunteering is to continue the goals and the momentum that has been gained in this enormous success that we've had this year.